Now, 2024 is fast approaching, and whether you're an experienced self-publisher or starting brand new, it's important to understand the KDP landscape has evolved. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best strategies I'll be using to succeed with Amazon KDP in 2024. So the first point I want to make is building a brand over individual books, as many self-publishers, especially beginners, make the mistake of pouring all their energy into singular books, hoping for it to be their success. But I've found out consistent brand building and having a cohesive collection of books can significantly increase your visibility and establish trust with your audience. So there are several benefits to brand building, such as recognition. So the readers will become familiar with your style, themes, or characters, making them more likely to buy more of your books. Also, trust. So when you consistently deliver on quality, then readers are more likely to buy your next release without any hesitation. And also cross-selling. So once readers love one of your books, they're often going to seek out more, and a strong brand makes this cross-promotion more natural and effective. And one of the brands I love to take a look at is coloring book CAF, and we can see on their Author Central page on Amazon a brief description about the brand. So they state that they are a leading publisher of stunning adult coloring pages. So just by that description alone, we know their exact target audience, and even just looking through some of their stunning covers, it really just oozes quality, and you can see by the amount of reviews that they have for some of their books. Every book is 4.5 star and above, so they are really taking the time to produce the best quality that they can. And this is definitely reflected by these reviews. And we can scroll through the interiors of one of their books just to see the extent that they go to. So first thing we can see is a website which provides extra content for customers to go to. They also have an email that provides additional support for anyone that needs it. They're on Facebook, they're on Instagram. So they are really doing everything that they can to promote their brand. And if we take a look at their website, you can see a landing page asking for customers to join their email list, where they will receive free coloring pages in return. And an email list is a fantastic way to reach your customers directly. So you don't even have to compete with the other books on Amazon when you can access your customers through their email. And looking through their website, we can see how professional that it looks and all the extra content that they provide. Now, I'm not saying that this is something that you need to do right away from the start. This brand has been on Amazon since 2020, so they've been able to establish their audience and build a wider social media presence. But learn from these top brands and try to incorporate elements into your own brand. For example, with my own personal coloring book brand, D&D Press, I focused on targeting adults and seniors by offering large print animal coloring books. So I've really niched down into targeting a specific audience, then creating very cohesive covers so my customers know my brand, which separates it from the copycats. And then you can see the reviews are building up, so the trust is there. And you can see by the reviews that customers have really been impressed by the quality. And this customer has bought 3 different books, which again highlights the importance of having a brand with similar books, as if they buy one book, they're more than likely to buy more books. Nobody goes onto Amazon and just buys one product. They're always tempted by something else. So in 2024, focus on building the best brand that you can. It's much easier to sell when you have a warm audience that trusts your book and learn from some of the best-selling brands. Secondly, in 2024, in order to remain competitive, you can't be a jack of all trades and a master of none. So using AI tools or outsourcing parts of the process will greatly enhance your success. On my channel, I show a range of tutorials about AI tools that you can use to create various types of books. You can use Leonardo AI or Mid Journey for creating coloring pages, illustration, covers, patterns, and much more. You've got ChatGPT for keyword research, analysis, titles, subtitles, and description. And Grammarly AI can be used for editing and to enhance some of your content. And I do understand that not everybody's warm to AI, but then I do recommend outsourcing, as not everybody is a gifted designer, marketer, or editor. But by hiring freelancers for these tasks, you can ensure that top-notch quality is maintained. You can use websites like Fiverr and find freelancers that are not too costly but can create quality covers and interiors. That will take your books to the next level, and by offloading some of these tasks, you can avoid the common pitfalls of burnout, and by focusing on your strength while letting AI or freelancers handle the rest, this will allow a more sustainable and successful journey over the long term. The third thing that I want to mention is marketing your books, and having a fantastic book. That's just the start, but visibility is key, and that's where marketing comes in. So the first thing you want to consider is running ads, as these will allow you to target your ideal customers, putting your book right in front of them. But don't expect your ads to be perfect right off the bat. When I started, I was hardly getting any sales and traffic. But I didn't give up. I made sure I wasn't overspending, and I learned to target the right niches with demand, which eventually led to sales and me being able to reduce my ACOS over time. And secondly, platforms like TikTok have been emerging as powerhouses for promotion. Taking a look at this coloring book creator, she's really been killing it with her TikTok content, with nearly 500,000 subscribers and over 8 million likes. Ali is really doing well on the platform, and she's also linked her products in the description. So if you scroll through her videos, she's just coloring in some of her coloring pages from her book. And what I love about her content is, whilst the videos might be simplistic in nature, she's been doing this for a long time. So it's not just 5, 10, or 20 videos she's just simply uploaded to TikTok and expecting success. She's literally got hundreds of videos that show her coloring in engaging, fun, and informative ways that her audience really loves and responds to. So it's about finding what the best in your niche are doing on TikTok, learning from their strategies and putting your own spin on it. TikTok is free to use, and looking at her book on Amazon and seeing how well it's doing just proves that this is a valid strategy and something that you might want to test out. And my final mention for 2024 is simply going all in. Just focusing on one income stream, committing to it, and working on it for a long period of time. You'll be amazed by some of the results that you can have. Instead of hoping for quick, instantaneous results, set your sights and work towards Q4 next year. And with consistent efforts, the compounding results by Q4 can be surprising. Don't let any excuse hold you back in 2024. If it's money, then actually have a video on my channel showing you how you can start KDP with $0. And if it's time, then leverage AI tools. And there's many free tools, and I have tutorials on my channels, or outsource if you can. So thanks for watching another video. Let me know your thoughts and plans for 2024. And if there's any specific video you'd like to see that will help you on your journey.